Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rabia Ashfaq, and I'm here to share all things Google Analytics with you. But before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment below to let me know what you think. Now, when it comes to working on a Google Analytics project, there are several key skills that are crucial for success. Let's take a look at some of them. First and foremost, we have Google Analytics setup configuration. This involves setting up the necessary tracking codes and ensuring that all the data is being accurately collected. Next up, we have data analysis reporting. This is where we dive deep into the data to uncover insights and trends and then communicate those findings through comprehensive reports. Another important skill is goal conversion tracking. Understanding what actions users are taking on your website and tracking their journey towards conversion is essential for optimizing performance. Traffic user behavior analysis is also critical. By analyzing where your traffic is coming from and how users are interacting with your site, you can make informed decisions to improve user experience. A/B testing experimentation allows you to test different variations of your website and measure which one performs better, enabling you to make data-driven improvements. KPI monitoring performance. Metrics help in tracking the key performance indicators and understanding how your website is performing against your business goals. Custom dashboards reports allow for the creation of tailored dashboards and reports to showcase the metrics that matter most to your business. Tag management through tools like Google Tag Manager is crucial for managing all your tracking tags in one place, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Audience segmentation allows for the categorization of users based on various criteria, helping to better understand their behavior and needs. E-commerce tracking is essential for online businesses to track sales, revenue, and other e-commerce metrics. Campaign performance analysis helps in evaluating the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, allowing for optimization and improved ROI. Data-driven decision-making is at the core of Google Analytics. It empowers you to make informed decisions based on concrete data and insights. The SEO SEM Insights provide valuable information on how your website is performing in search engines. And through paid advertising, cross-platform tracking allows you to track user interactions across different devices and platforms, providing a more holistic view of user behavior. And finally, data visualization through tools like Google Data Studio and Excel help in creating visually engaging and informative reports. So there you have it. These are some of the key skills needed for a successful Google Analytics project. I hope this has given you a better understanding of what it takes to excel in this field. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.